Hello and welcome, my friends. My name is Stephen Greider, and I'm really excited to tell you everything I know about machine learning. Before we get started, one quick thing I want to mention here, how to get help in this course if you get stuck or you need a little bit of help troubleshooting. So the first place you can look to is the Udemy QA boards. You can find the discussion boards on this page. You can go look at the very bottom right-hand side, and you should see a little question mark when you hover over the video player. So you can always ask a question on the QA boards. You can reach out to me on Twitter or my email as well. In general, I usually answer all questions about once a day, usually between Monday and Friday. So if you don't see an answer from me on the weekends, usually good practice to try to poke at me again during a weekday if you want to get a quick response. In general, I answer quickest most reliably in general on email, but every now and then I get a little bit busy and I might get a little bit behind on answering your questions. Okay, so that's it. Without further ado, let's continue in the next section and we're going to start talking about machine learning.